Elon Musk's futuristic Cybertruck just got hit with a massive roadblock, literally. The UK has officially banned the Cybertruck from its roads, and it's not just about paperwork or minor regulations. This decision exposes serious design flaws that Tesla may have ignored or underestimated. But why is the UK taking such a hard stance? And could this spell trouble for Tesla's global expansion? Stay with me until the end because this could change the future of Tesla forever. Why the Cybertruck is facing a UK ban. While Tesla has successfully launched the Cybertruck in the United States, the vehicle has faced a massive roadblock in the UK due to strict vehicle safety regulations that differ significantly from those in North America. One of the primary reasons for the Cybertruck's ban is pedestrian safety. The UK and the broader European Union have stringent laws that require vehicles to be designed in a way that minimizes harm to pedestrians in the event of an accident. The Cybertruck's sharp, angular design and ultra-rigid stainless steel frame make it a serious threat to pedestrian safety. Unlike traditional vehicles that incorporate crumple zones to absorb impact, the Cybertruck's hardened steel exterior does not deform easily, meaning that in the event of a collision with a pedestrian, the force of impact is transferred entirely to the person rather than being absorbed by the vehicle. This drastically increases the risk of severe injuries and fatalities, making it non-compliant with UK regulations. In addition to pedestrian safety, another major issue flagged by UK regulators is the lighting system of the Cybertruck. Tesla has designed the vehicle with a single LED light bar running across the front and rear, which is a bold aesthetic choice but does not comply with UK vehicle standards. The UK requires distinct and separate lighting units for headlights, indicators, and brake lights to ensure visibility and safety. This single light strip does not provide adequate differentiation between functions, making the vehicle illegal to drive on public roads in its current form. Another significant concern raised by authorities is the Cybertruck's steer-by-wire system. Unlike traditional steering systems that rely on a mechanical connection between the steering wheel and the wheels, the Cybertruck uses electronic controls. UK regulations mandate that vehicles must have a backup mechanical steering system in case of electronic failure. Since Tesla's design lacks this crucial safety feature, it is not road legal under UK laws. Cybertruck's size and weight create bigger problems. Beyond safety regulations, the sheer size and weight of the Cybertruck present serious practical challenges for UK roads. Unlike the United States, where roads are generally wider and more accommodating for large vehicles, the UK has narrower streets, tighter turns, and more compact urban environments. The Cybertruck's over 2-meter width and massive proportions make it incredibly difficult to navigate through city streets, multi-lane roads, and roundabouts, increasing the likelihood of accidents and congestion. Additionally, the Cybertruck's weight is another legal headache. The fully loaded Cybertruck can weigh over 3 metric tons, with some high-end configurations exceeding that limit before even adding cargo or passengers. According to UK law, any vehicle exceeding 3.5 tons requires a Category C1 license, which is typically only held by commercial truck drivers. This means that most everyday UK drivers would not even be legally allowed to operate the Cybertruck, creating yet another obstacle for Tesla's ambitions in the region. Parking is another nightmare scenario for the Cybertruck in the UK. Most British cities have been designed with compact vehicles in mind, and even American pickup trucks like the Ford F-150 struggle to fit into parking spaces. The Cybertruck, being even larger and bulkier, would be nearly impossible to park in city centers, shopping mall parking lots, and residential areas. The logistical issues of driving such a massive vehicle in the UK make it an impractical choice for consumers, even if Tesla were able to modify it to comply with safety regulations. Could Tesla modify the Cybertruck for the UK market? Given the number of regulatory and practical obstacles, the big question remains. Can Tesla redesign the Cybertruck to make it legal for UK roads? While it is technically possible, the modifications required would be so extreme that it might not be worth it for Tesla. To meet UK standards, Tesla would need to make fundamental changes to the Cybertruck's exterior design, lighting system, safety features, and weight distribution. These changes could include adding crumple zones to improve impact absorption, softening the sharp edges to comply with pedestrian safety standards, implementing a traditional steering system backup for added redundancy, reducing overall weight to meet European road regulations, and redesigning the lighting structure to include separate indicator and brake lights. The challenge is that these changes could drastically alter the essence of the Cybertruck, making it less of the bold, futuristic vehicle that Elon Musk originally envisioned. The Cybertruck's unique angular design, stainless steel body, and unconventional structure are key selling points, and altering these elements to fit UK regulations could compromise its identity. Additionally, with Tesla's primary focus remaining on the US market, where demand for the Cybertruck is already incredibly high, the company may decide that investing in an entirely separate version of the vehicle for the UK and Europe is simply not financially viable. Instead of modifying the Cybertruck, Tesla could opt to introduce a different vehicle model that aligns more closely with European regulations, allowing it to enter the UK market without altering the Cybertruck's original design. This approach would enable Tesla to expand its presence in Europe while keeping the Cybertruck as a niche product in regions where it is already approved. However, whether Tesla is willing to take this step or if European customers will ever see an adapted version of the Cybertruck remains to be seen. What this means for Tesla's global expansion. The UK's rejection of the Cybertruck is not just a localized issue. It could signal bigger problems for Tesla's global expansion plans. Other European countries, including Germany, France, and the Netherlands, have similarly strict vehicle safety laws. If the UK has already deemed the Cybertruck too unsafe for public roads, it is likely that other nations will follow suit. This could significantly limit Tesla's ability to sell and distribute the Cybertruck in international markets, restricting it primarily to North America and select other regions with looser safety regulations. Additionally, Tesla is now facing increased competition from European automakers that are quickly developing EV-friendly pickups and utility vehicles that already comply with UK and EU laws. Companies like Volkswagen, BMW, and Hyundai are creating electric trucks that meet safety and environmental standards while being more suitable for European roads. This puts Tesla at risk of losing market share in a region that is rapidly adopting EV technology. If Tesla fails to adapt to these regulations and market demands, it may struggle to maintain its dominance in the EV space, especially as traditional automakers continue to close the gap with their own innovations. Is this the end for the Cybertruck in the UK? The UK's ban on the Cybertruck is a major setback for Tesla, but it also serves as a wake-up call for the company. While the Cybertruck may be an engineering marvel in the United States, its bold design and unconventional build do not align with the strict safety and regulatory requirements of the UK and Europe. Issues such as pedestrian safety, weight limits, lighting regulations, and the absence of crumple zones make the vehicle difficult to approve under current European standards. This situation highlights a broader challenge for Tesla, the need to adapt its vehicles for different international markets. While the US may embrace the Cybertruck's rugged, futuristic appeal, other regions have different priorities, particularly in terms of road safety and environmental impact. If Tesla wants to expand globally and maintain its competitive edge, it must either redesign the Cybertruck to meet diverse regulatory requirements or introduce new models specifically tailored for markets outside the US. For now, it looks like the Cybertruck will remain off UK roads, unless Tesla takes drastic action and modify its design. The big question is, will Tesla adapt, or will it double down on its original vision and focus solely on the US market? What do you think? Should Tesla redesign the Cybertruck for the UK, or should they focus on other markets? Let us know in the comments below. And before you go, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more updates on Tesla, Elon Musk, and the future of electric vehicles.